As the Congress is trying to come to terms with its loss in the Lok Sabha polls, followed by the Assembly polls, trouble only compounding now for the party, as there are more voices of dissent coming out after party's recent fallout with the Tamil Nadu strongman G.K. Vasan, Saifuddin Soz in Jammu and Kashmir and Narayan Rane in Maharashtra are striking a discordant note.
2 days ago, Congress suffered a massive jolt when G.K. Vasan broke his association with the party, citing differences with top leadership. And now more trouble brewing for Congress in the poll-bound state of Jammu and Kashmir, voices of dissent emerge. Senior party leaders in Jammu and Kashmir pointing out loopholes in the party management.
उसमें एक फैक्टर ये कि कहीं कांग्रेस वाले इन इलेक्शंस में किसी भी असेंबली सेगमेंट की बात खींचे एकजुट नहीं रहे होंगे. मैनेजमेंट फैक्टर वाज वीक.
As Soz blames weak management for Maharashtra debacle, Congress strongman in Maharashtra pinning the blame on former Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan.
काही जणांनी तर सत्ता जाणार आहे याचं भाकीत सत्तेतल्या काही लोकांनी अगोदरच केलं होतं आणि निवडणूक सोडूनच दिली होती.
But despite the rebellion in 3 states, Congress seems to be unfazed.
Who says that for 48 years we didn't have Kamaraj rule. For the last, from 38 till 48 years, he was with us and he was perfectly comfortable with the fact that, for 38 years there was no Kamaraj rule. Then suddenly at the 48th year, he realized, no, I'm sorry, there's no Kamaraj rule and there is no, attention being paid to meritocracy. He has suddenly woken up.
With the Congress facing mutiny in multiple states, the top leadership has a tough task of reining in the rebels. Bureau Report, Times Now.